Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the free daily coaching hangout. This morning, we are going to talk about something that was we're going to talk about a type of marketing. We're going to talk about video marketing, but we're going to talk about it in direct reference to using YouTube and the YouTube platform. And the reason we're going to talk about this is because over the past couple of webinars and work sessions that we've done, we thought we lost a few videos and we couldn't figure out why. And then when we did realize why, I still made the error again. And so I wanted to show people this because this could be vital in creating videos. And then I found a workaround so that if you do make this mistake, then you can go back and you don't have to redo all of the work. So I think this will be a big help. I think people will be excited about this, especially if you're using video marketing and if you're using YouTube. So if you're using YouTube or Google Hangouts like we use each and every morning to do some videos, then you're gonna benefit from what we're doing. Good morning, Craig. Good morning, Whitman. I saw a couple people saying hello in the chat. So good morning to you guys. Let's go over and let me show you. And right now, one of the things, let me see. I think we'll be able to do it let me try it in an incognito window. And the reason is because of the fact that I'm going to be logging in and out. When I log out of my YouTube channel, it's going to automatically, if I logged out of this channel that we're broadcasting on, it would automatically change things. So what happened was, let's go over and we'll check. We're just going to look up my name. And yesterday we did a video. So yesterday, if I click on this, you can come over and we can see my channel over here. And we can go over and we can look at the videos. And we can see that we have the morning wake up calls here, but we can't see that video from yesterday afternoon from the Friends of Free Daily Coaching. Now, normally you wouldn't see it because we hide them and they become unlisted because they get put into the membership area. But this month, for just the month of January, they'll be unlisted, or they'll be open to the public during the month of January. So we should have another row here. A new row with one video from yesterday afternoon because this was yesterday morning. So I know that we recorded and I know that we had just had this error last week from a Friends of Free Daily work session. So I did this last week as well. So what had happened is I wasn't logged in as Burt Bledsoe. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, your YouTube is connected via your Gmail. So if you have multiple Gmail accounts and you're logged into an alternate Gmail account, it's going to broadcast then on that YouTube channel. So in this case, you can see that I have Burt Bledsoe right here. This is my main channel. This is where all of our free daily coachings are being broadcast to. So I know that I have another Gmail, and I don't know how to get there other than going through the Gmail. So we'll go over here to Gmail. And I don't know if this is going to log me out over here. So I better bring someone over. Let me stop just for a second here. Let me bring someone over. Raise your hand if you can come over. And I'm just doing this so that we have a backup. So someone's over here. So when I go switch over, it doesn't knock everyone off. Just in case, even though I'm doing it on an incognito window, we'll want to make sure just in case. So raise your hand if you can come over and I'll have someone over here with me. And we'll show you what we did here. So what I was able to do was find the video. It was on the, okay, here we go. Lena can come over, so we'll just pop her over. And all right, so what we can do, what I did was I logged into my other channel, right? My other Gmail account. I went over there and I saw that the video was there. Well, That doesn't help me if all I have is the embed code for the members area, because I wanted people to be able to use it, right? People this month to be able to see it. So I'm going to show you where the settings are and how you can make that possible. And this is really cool if you wanted to, if you have multiple channels on YouTube, or B, if you're collaborating with someone and you wanted to share videos, this would be a way that you could do it. So, all right, so I'm just going to go ahead and mute you, Leanne, so that there's no echo. And then, all right, so let me go back to a screen share, and then hopefully it won't log me out. Okay, so we got this over here in an incognito window, so hopefully it won't log us out. We're going to sign in, and we're just going to do to the organic vert 1. Oh, and you know what? Why don't we'll just go right to the YouTube instead of doing it through the email. So we'll go over here to YouTube, and we'll do this in the incognito window, so hopefully it doesn't log us out in the broadcast that we're doing, okay? See if you guys are still here. All right, you're still here. So let me see if this will sign in over here, and we can have that. All right, okay, so it's showing it to you. So over here in this account, I can go to my channel, and I can see I just have a couple subscribers. There's barely any views, and then I can see, oh look, there's a couple videos that are accidentally over here. So I found the video over here, the autoresponder series, that I wanted to have on my other channel, right? So the first thing that I did was I went in here and I went into the playlist, and I created a new playlist called Aweber Autoresponder, okay? And I simply just clicked on the button and I typed in a new playlist and I hit create, okay? When you do that, let's say I put in and you hit create. So now I can put in this types of training. I can hit the settings. When I hit the settings, it allows me to do all of these different options, manually move things around, auto add videos, and then here I can hit collaborate. And if I switch this collaborate to on, I can invite collaborators to add videos by sharing a link with them. So I hit the get link button. It prints out a link, and then I just copied this link and sent it to myself. So I went into my Gmail account for this guy, for Organic Vert 1, and emailed just to my regular Organic Vert. And when I did and clicked on this link, what it did, and let me show you, and now I'm just gonna totally exit out of this. So what it did was it allowed me to go in on this playlist, and I just had the one video here, right? I had this autoresponder series. So I added this one video to the playlist, and that was it, okay? By sending that link to myself, what happened was over here, let me show you guys over here. In my regular YouTube, since I emailed it to myself, I got the link, I went over here, and on my channel, if I go into my playlist, you can see that now I have this Aweber autoresponder playlist. It got shared with me, so we're collaborating, and since it's with myself, it's fine, right? So this playlist got automatically added over here. So if I go into the playlist, I'll see it has 2 videos. It has the autoresponder series, and then I took the video that I had already on my channel that we just had seen earlier, that what is an autoresponder, from yesterday morning's call, and I added that into the playlist. So you can see both here and in the other account, there was 2 videos because they're collaborating. So when I add one on either channel, it's gonna add it over here on the playlist. So if I accidentally forget to log out of my other email, the Organic Vert 1 in the morning, and then we go to broadcast and it accidentally gets put on my other channel, I can simply, since I'm collaborating, I can grab it. and I can put the video in the playlist, and it'll still show up on my main channel. So this would also be good if you were working on a project with someone and you didn't want to give them access to, say, your whole entire back office, or having them log into your Gmail and your YouTube and into your whole account, but maybe you wanted to be able to share videos with them that you guys were going back and forth, and without having to send them all the embed code and stuff, you could just make up a quick playlist that they could have access to and collaborate with. So that would be another option that you could use this little method for. So a quick little tip for video marketing, if you're using multiple Gmail accounts, is to ensure that you're logged into the correct Gmail account, because that Gmail account is associated with your YouTube account. In addition, if you do make an error, a mistake, and then you do that on accident, you can collaborate between your own channels. So even if you had multiple channels, let's say in, just because you had multiple usernames for various reasons, for SEO reasons, or so that you could keep those channels specific, you could then collaborate so that all of your channels would be able to interact amongst each other. So just another tip for video marketing here on Free Daily Coaching. For those that are watching via the YouTube broadcast or watching the replay, either on Google Plus or on YouTube, I would encourage you to visit us over at www.freedailycoaching.com, where you can get registered for the live webinars, get email updates on what's going on with Free Daily Coaching, as well as be able to come over live and participate. Thanks for joining us at Free Daily Coaching. We'll see you the next time.